Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about if you are facing any issue related to uninstall any program on your PC. If you are trying to uninstall your programs, uninstall your software, and you are facing issue related to uninstallation like this one, uninstallation fail and all. So how you can fix this issue? So first of all, I want to tell you there are several reasons. So that's why you are not able to uninstall your any software. So the first reason is like your application, your software is running in the background. Okay, so first of all you need to completely shut down your application. So first of all you need to check in the taskbar like this one option in the bottom side where the time and date is mentioned. You need to click on this arrow option and you will see there are some softwares is running in the background like Razor Snaps 4. You need to click on exit all apps. Okay, and you will see there are still some apps is running. Maybe your app is also running in the you can like this taskbar section. You need to completely exit from your application and then you can try to uninstall your software. If still it's not working for you, if still it's showing any shortcut, if it's still showing any like you can like icon in the control panel, then what you have to do, you need to restart your PC and then you will see there is no shortcut and you will see the software or the application is completely removed from your PC. Okay, and or you can restart your PC and then you can try to you need to try again and try to you can say like uninstall your PC, your try to uninstall your software and then you will see your program is completely removed from your PC. Okay, so by using these methods you can fix the issue, and you can also use like task manager. And in the task manager you will see there are some application is running in the background. You can also end the task and then you can say like there is an option like end task. You need to end task and then you can try to you can try to you can say like uninstall your program. Okay, so these are the methods and these are the problems. That's why you are facing issue related to uninstallation. Okay, you can try these issues and you can fix the issue. Okay, so if this video was helpful, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.